Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Weebly. Weebly is a website builder and allows you to create and design websites. In this video we're gonna talk about how to make money using Weebly in 10 ways. So the first thing to do is create your account on Weebly and create a website. Depending on what's your business and what you're gonna do with Weebly. If you don't know anything, keep the video running and we will get to this. The first way is to sell products online. Weebly has an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell physical or digital products online. You can set up online store using Weebly e-commerce features and sell your products to customers. So your screen isn't glitched. I'm going to stay in the dashboard, the home, and I'm going to give you the ideas or the ways how to increase your income. So the second way is self-service online. If you can provide a service such as consulting or coaching, you can use Weebly to create your website that promotes your service. You can use Weebly drag and drop features to create a professional looking website that attracts clients. Third way is affiliate marketing. You can use Weebly to promote products or services related to your website niche. You can join affiliate program and promote your products using your website. You will earn a commission on every sale made through your affiliate link. The fourth way is sell digital products. If you have digital products such as ebooks or courses, you can use Weebly to sell them online. You can use Weebly's e-commerce feature to set up your online store and sell your digital products. So the fifth way is offer freelance service. You can offer freelance service such as web design or content creation on Weebly's website. You can use your website to showcase your work and attract clients who are looking for your services. The sixth way is to display ads on your website. By using ad networks such as Google AdSense to display ads on your website and get paid. The seventh way is to offer coaching on or consulting service. You can offer coaching or consulting service related to your website niche. You can use your Weebly website to promote your service and attract clients. The eighth way is to create sell online courses. Weebly allows you to create and sell online course. You can use Weebly's drag and drop features to create a professional looking course and sell it to your students for money. So as I said 3 times while setting the ways, Weebly's drag and drop interface and website editors is what makes it easy to earn money. You can become a designer, design your website with zero knowledge in design. You can just drag your background picture from your gallery or anything, drop it in Weebly, and you have a website. You just add some text, headlines, your email, your contact information, and that's your website ready. So the ninth way is to sell print on demand products. You can use Weebly to sell print on demand products such as t-shirts or mugs. You can use print on demand product service such as Printify and integrate it with your Weebly website. So the last way is to create a membership website. You can use Weebly to create a membership website. You can offer premium content or service to members to change and charge subscription fees. So this were the my site. Coffee house. What's coffee house? Madarachul. Ah, it's my website. Okay, my website is called Coffee House because I don't remember creating it, and it has a little picture here. I don't also remember putting it here. So after creating your website, you click on edit site to get into it and edit it. The edits will take, let's say, hours to create the perfect website for your business, but it's yours. It's your choice. You choose between templates, texts, headlines. Weebly give you inspirations, helps you to create your account and guide you. They give you step-by-step guide to publish, to reach your to so what did I say now? So your website will be ready to be found on Google, and it's easy to use interface helps you to start from zero with no money, no experience, and your website will be known, and you can pay to make your website. You can sponsorize your website to be an ad on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and people can reach it faster, and you sell faster, make money faster. Make money faster means you will make more money. Okay, now I remembered my website. I just created a coffee website. I didn't touch anything. This is just the template. You can choose images, edit text like it's shown here. You can turn off or on the logo, the text. Here you can upload your logo. You can upgrade your membership, and when you are done, you publish your website and it will be shown as your username weebly.com, username.weebly.com, or you can choose to upgrade the membership, so your website will be just your username and Weebly, your username.com without the Weebly things. And I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.